So are you all on this page? Yes? Yes? Okay, good. So let's examine the data first. You see, this is gender. Gender, if you don't know what it means, you can click on variable view. Gender. So 0 means male, 1 means female. Okay, so this is what it means, okay? And this is TOEFL score, understand, right? This is pre-test and post-test. Okay, the teaching method is here. Class type, the last one. Class type, okay? You can click on variable view, class type. See that? Click here. 0 means online teaching. 1 means lecturing. 2 means seminar, okay? So this is actually means, this is the dependent or independent variable. Dependent or independent variable. Teaching method. Independent variable. Yeah, this is independent variable, okay? Now, so please calculate the test for each research question, okay, right? Just perform the test, okay? So you can do individual test by yourself first, or if you prefer, you can work in pair group, okay? If you find it's too difficult to work on your own, okay? If you have any questions, raise your hand, we'll come to help, okay? So the first task is you have to use which test? Independent samples t-test, right? Independent samples t-test. So task 1, use independent samples t-test. Is there any in-between group difference? Okay. Okay. Task to use paired samples t-test. And over, okay. Last one is pairs and correlation, okay.
Develop a set of sample answers for these questions. Do you want to show them to the students after this class?
You made this?
Yes.
Yes, okay, good.
I'll send you
sure.
a copy afterwards.
Okay, thank you.
The soft copy.
Have you done that? Okay, so tell me the result of independent samples test. Is it good enough? Is it significant enough? Do you get a result? Yes? So did you get these results? Yes? Yes, exactly the same? Okay, so how do you interpret the test?
There's no significant difference between boys.
There's no significance? But 11 is a p, that means, okay, should you use equivariance assumed or equivariance not assumed? Equivariance are assumed because the significance p here is bigger than 0.05. So we assume there's no difference in the variance, right? So we use this rule, okay? And then you can see the t and also the significance. The significant is smaller or bigger than 0.05? Smaller. So that means the difference, for example, like if you see the difference here, it's quite big, right? Female average is 70, male is 53. It's quite a big, right, distance, right? Yeah, it should be significant, right? Okay, that's right, yes. Okay, now the second, paired samples t-test. Now, please, did you complete the paired samples t-test? Paired samples t-test, okay? Don't forget the S, okay? So you have to compare the pre-test and post-test. Put them into the two variables, right? Pre-test variable 1, post-test variable 2. So, have you done that? Yes? Yes? Oh, okay. Okay. That's good. All right. Okay. So did you get this result? So you get the descriptive statistics. Pre-test mean is 5.2, and post-test is 5.6. Okay. Pair samples t-test here. So do you think it's significant or not? Here, significance is significant, right? But 5.27 and 5.67, still huge. Okay, right? Still big, right? Okay, that's right. Okay, all right. So do you have any question? No question. Okay. Now, one way or another. Okay, one way or another. Okay. If you have any question, raise your hand. Okay, one way or another. Okay. So independent variable teaching method, actually, which is in the file, it should be last class type, okay? Look, here. Class type. Class type is the teaching method. You see, like online teaching seminar, right? Okay, so class type. So maybe I change here, class type, okay? Means class type. So first, you have to choose dependent variable, and what else? You have to choose factor as class type, right? Okay. And then you have to choose post hoc if you wish. If you think it's too complicated, just forget about it. But you have to choose options to get descriptive statistics, right? Okay. Then you click on OK. All right. fast type. And the post type.
Already choose postpone.
Okay, yes, then you got it. Okay, good. But did you get result? Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Let me take a look here.
Online section.
All right. Okay. So make sure you have got this. Yes? In descriptive, you can see that we have 3 groups. You see the mean, right? So seminar is highest, right? When people discuss, they tend to learn better, right? And lecturing, lower, and the online learning, lowest. Okay? And then in an ANOVA test, it's significance, right? It's significant, right? Here, look. But in a multiple comparison test, post hoc test, actually you know which group are significant, differ from each other. So all of them significantly differ from each other, right? Right? Okay? Yes. All right. So any question about ANOVA? All right. No question, okay? Now, the last one. What is the relationship between the TOEFL score and the pre-test score? Pearson correlation test. Now, please try to perform the Pearson correlation test, the last tutorial. Okay, task. It's too complex, but unless you like it, unless you love mathematics.
I can't understand some of them.
You cannot.
I can't.
You can. Let's try to help your classmates. Very easy, right? So did you get results for the Pearson R? Yes? So you choose analyze, you choose correlate, you choose bivariate. Then you enter TOEFL score and the pre-test. That's all. You click OK. So did you get a result? What about here? Yes? What about there? Okay. Okay, good. All right. So correlation. So so the Pearson R here is 0.994. Is it strong, weak, or moderate? Strong. It's bigger than 0.7, then strong. Okay. Is it significant? Yes. Yes, significant. Okay. Okay, so how do you report? TOEFL score and the pre-test score are significantly positively correlated with each other. That's all you need to report, okay? So do you have any question? Any question? Is there anything you want me to explain to you? So tell me how you feel about this workshop. Is statistics difficult or not? Easy. So how confident can you perform SPSS on your own afterwards? Raise your hand. If you're confident, with reference to my slides. Is it okay? Okay. All right. But just one thing. Suppose you do not work on a computer, on our university. This way for you to access SPSS from a home computer. So you just follow here. Do you see here? I provide you with a link. So if you work, at home, you just follow and copy this link, and then you follow instruction and download SPSS. Okay, I'm not sure you download, or maybe just work on some, online. Okay, so you can actually also perform SPSS at home if you're not linked, if you don't work on computer on our university. Okay, right. So now, do you have any questions? Queries? Everything's clear to you? All right. Okay. Okay. Anyway. Well, now finally, invite you to just spend 1 minute or 2 minutes. Spend 1 or 2 minutes evaluating this workshop. I only provide you with 7 very simple Likert scale questions. Okay, and only 1 open question. Okay, I believe you can finish it in 2 minutes. Okay, right? Okay, just give me some feedback. Okay.